Hi everyone, how are you? Today I want to talk to those of you who might be struggling with constant ringing in your ears, trouble concentrating, or even those frustrating memory lapses. I know how much this can affect your daily life because I've seen it up close with my mom. But before I share her story with you, I want to let you know that if by the end of this video you want to learn more about Neuro Quiet or decide to buy it, the link to the official website is right below in the description. That way, you can ensure you're getting the original product safely. Now, let me tell you about my mom. She's always been such an active person, but as the years went by, she started complaining about this constant ringing in her ears that just wouldn't go away. On top of that, she was having trouble remembering simple things and feeling frustrated about losing focus on her daily tasks. Seeing that really worried me because she used to do everything with so much energy. That's when I found out about Neuro Quiet. This natural supplement combines vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and plant extracts that work together to cleanse toxins accumulated in the ears, improve the connection between the ears and the brain, and restore mental clarity. It's completely natural with no side effects, and my mom started noticing a difference in just a few weeks. The ringing eased, she could focus better, and even her memory improved. One very important thing I need to warn you about is that NeuroQuiet is only sold on the official website. That's why I've left the link in the description below, so you don't risk buying from the wrong place. And the best part? If you're not satisfied or don't see results, the manufacturer offers a 100% money-back guarantee. That gave me total confidence when I decided to buy it. So, if you or someone you love is dealing with these issues, give Neuro Quiet a try. Click the link in the description, learn more about the product, and see how it can transform lives just like it did for my mom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.